What is going on, everyone? What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. It is morning time for me. On my way to work. But I'm in the Impala, 96 Impala. It's my 96 Impala. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it before, but that's another day. I want to talk to you guys about LSX Frankenstein, the Chevelle, the black Chevelle. Kind of want to let you know how kind of it's been going, how it came to be. So, you guys saw the picture before, right? What it looked like. Now, it was bad. It was really bad. I mean, I got that car in pieces and I don't know, probably 500 pieces or something like that, something crazy. Can you guys hear me? The exhaust is kind of loud in this car. I don't know if you guys can hear me very good, but I got that car in pieces. We did everything to this car. All new quarter panels, inner fender wells, rear inner fender wells, the whole front end, I should say. Rocker panels, rear deck lid. The roof was bad. It was really bad. It looked like it had hailed upside down, if that makes any sense. It looked like somebody took a broom and just smacked the hell out of it from the inside. But we did that. We did the roof, body and paint, obviously. So I want to show you guys what the frame, how I was looking like with the frame. I will show you guys. Check this out. That right there was the frame. Right before we reinforced it, we boxed it in. I wasn't sure if I was gonna box it in or not. That's why it was kind of semi-complete, powder coated and stuff like that, But so we went ahead and boxed it in, framed it in, did a is it called an HPI kit? HPI Customs kit, I want to say it's called. That kit, boxed it in, framed it in, got the stuff pre-powder coated. Did that. I know what you're thinking, the rims, right? Where are those rims at? What are those rims? Those rims are actually off my Monte Carlo, my 85 SS. I do not no longer have anymore, but those are off of that car. Kind of borrowed them just to we were mocking stuff up and stuff like that, clearance and other things on the other car also. That's why you see them on there. So Christmas came early, sometime middle of the year. Don't remember now, but look at this. These guys are just flying right here, ready to. Oh no, a bunch of bikers. What's that? You guys see those bikers back there? I thought they were cops. Ooh, I had to pump the brakes. Anyways, Christmas came early. Went down to the dealership. Wasn't even there for it. I didn't even go down there for it. But I was there. I had a bunch of buddies that worked there still. I used to work for the dealership back in the day, back for Chevy, GM. And get there, he said, "Hey, you see that motor sitting over there, the LSX on display?" He said, "The boss wants to get rid of it." Really good deal on it. Really good deal. Couldn't even pass it up. Had to come back the next day. I picked this up. Come on, Layla, get it done. Get this sucker opened up. Come on, it's like a Christmas present, huh?
Christmas present is great.
What color are you gonna paint it?
Red.
Red?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There we go.
There you go. Good job, kid. So Layla, as you all see, Layla's my my shop labor, you know. She helped me unbox it, unwrap it, whatever you want to call it. She did a really good job, right? Now she did say we had to paint it red. That's what we did next. You gotta go up and down. On the top too. Remember to let go once you stop to get to the other side.
Now next way?
Yeah, hit it a little bit in the front. Good job, kid. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. Relax, relax. She couldn't spray any paint out of it, any clear out of it. Calm down, safety nerds. I know she wasn't wearing no safety goggles, masks, gloves, whatever you want to call it. I was just teaching her how to spray and paint. Relax, guys, relax. This is just a, teaching moment is all. Relax. Motor looked good though, right? We did good. Motor looks good. We went really bright on the motor, really red. I really like it, like the way it turned out. Now we had to add some flavor to it. You saw those kind of stock LS valve covers we had on there, stock colored. We had to take them off. Powder coat, 3D powder coat. If you guys are in Vegas, check them out. 3D powder coat. They did a really phenomenal job. I'm gonna show you. Check this out. Now let me show you what it looks like right before I went to the shop to go get married. You know what I mean? Go marry the body to the frame. This is actually, you know what? Yeah, let me show you. But we got car back, started assembling it. I got this nice kit, really nice kit from Holly, mid-mount kit, special order from 80s Performance. But man, this thing was so clean. I fell in love with it. Went to LS Fest about a year, maybe 2 years now. Went to LS Fest out there. They had the mid-mount kit, Holly mid-mount kit. If you guys did not see it, check it out. But man, this thing is sweet. It's super nice, compact, tucked in. So that was next. We put that on. Show you guys how to lay it out on the table and stuff like that. Let's check it out. So here's the accessory kit, that we've been talking about. A lot of you guys been asking me, what's the motor look like? You guys seen the motor. I posted the motor. what's the engine bay look like. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. I haven't really showed it to anybody, but y'all ready to see the motor? Bam! Right there. That's my engine bay. A little crazy, a little bright, but that's what it's looking like. I'm still working on some stuff on the firewall. Stay tuned. As y'all can see, that's what I went with. It's a little light under here, but that's what I wanted. You can see we got the beautiful LSX in there. So there it is. We're gonna put that kit on there. Accessory kit's going on next. Didn't expect that, right? Didn't expect the engine bay like that. You guys probably saw it. You guys probably seen it on my Instagram, but yeah, my engine bay is red. Red. You say, why you go with the black car, white stripes, traditional, but your engine bay is red. Exactly my point. That's exactly why I did it. I want to do something different with the car, but keep it still very classic. So I went with the red engine bay. Just when you pop the hood, it just kind of screams at you the first thing you see. So I like it. I love it. If you guys don't like it, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but it is my car. So that's what I did. We went with the red engine bay. I like it. If you guys don't like it, let me know. We still, you guys kind of see, working on it. We are putting turbos on it, twin turbos. As a matter of fact, let me show you a couple pictures. I don't have a video of it yet with it mocked up because I pulled everything off. Pulled everything back off for powder coating and ceramic coating. But let me show you these pictures that I got of the engine bay, kind of mocked up. Even had some custom work done to it, custom front engine cover to it. Check it out. You guys like it? Not bad, huh? It's coming along. Like I said, we pulled everything off. The turbo processing build has been an experience though. First turbo build for me. So it's definitely taking a little bit longer than expected. But we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it done. I think it'll be a really fast car. I mean, not really fast car. I would say really fun car to drive. We don't plan on doing, you know, nothing crazy with it, not putting no 20 pounds of boost, nothing like that. Maybe running, you know, somewhere in between 10 to 15 pounds of boost tops, you know, so we'll see how it does. But if also, like, so if you guys got any tips for me, any of you boost guys out there, let me know. Can use all the help I can get. Put it down in the comments below. That'd be awesome. Because I love to always pick up something new from you guys. Because you know what this YouTube's for, right? Help everybody out. Everybody learn something from it. I know I'm always looking up stuff on YouTube. How to, and things I need to figure out, can't figure out. It's always helpful. Put them down there. Put your comments down there. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. But I want to leave you guys with this. I want to leave you guys with the little rendering I did, you know, my car, what I want it to look like when it's done. Did a little rendering on my own. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you think I did. I'm still trying to get my Adobe skills up, so sorry it's not the best, it's not the greatest, but this is my rendering. What you guys think? Okay, still working on a few things, obviously. Working on the bumpers and stuff like that. You guys can see that on the rendering. The wheels might be a little different. Those are gonna be a little different. I want to go 18s all the way around. As you guys know, well, you guys might not know. I'm building this car for autocross. Building it for autocross and some road course and stuff like that, road racing, whatever we can get into. Maybe even a drag race here too. You know, it's all. I really want to have fun with it. So it's kind of what we're doing. But let me know. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys, for waking up with me this morning. I'm Goose. Keep wrenching. I'm out.